Hello, welcome to Trinity Stamps. Today we're going to take a close-up look at the new Slimline Embossed Circle Panel die set. This is a set of 3 dies, 2 that cut out large rectangular panels for your Slimline card, and the third to die cut 3 circles in a row from one of those panels. I'm snipping the dies apart to get them ready to use. I like to snip right here on the side that has one little connector and then bend it to release the other 2 connectors, and then snip off the excess metal connectors, and the die set is now ready to use. The largest panel from this die set is 8.5 by 3.5, and you can see it presses or emboss a line all the way around that rectangle for a nice finished off look. The second panel measures 8.25 by 3.25, making them perfect for layering on top of each other. I love the double embossed line look that you get when you layer these up. You can also use that circle die to cut 3 evenly spaced circles from the center of your slimline panels. What's great about this is when you use this die, you're going to get that embossed line around all 3 of the circle openings, as well as the circles die cut from the cardstock. You can also use this die cut circle panel to create some really fun shaker cards. I also love the idea of die cutting this smaller die from a panel already cut with the largest die to create a really thin frame with double etched lines. The circles die cut from this new die set also coordinate with our existing embossed edge circle die set. I've die cut 3 here so you can see how they can be layered up, and you can also use the circles from the circle stackable set with this die cut panel. Let's take a look at some samples made with this die set. Here I've made a fun window card, and you can see the lovely etched lines around each of the circles. And on this second card, I've used both of the rectangular panels layered together so you can see that double etched line and how polished it looks and elegant that it makes this card. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you have any questions about this die set, feel free to leave them in the comments below. You can also find Trinity on Facebook and Instagram, and there's plenty more inspiration on Trinity Stamps' YouTube channel waiting for you. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.